Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as I have been posting, Microsoft is working on a new app that is still in public beta called the Microsoft PC Manager, which is very similar to the likes of optimization apps like CCleaner that allows you to perform basic computer maintenance and speed up your device with a single click. And if you want more info regarding the Microsoft PC Manager app, just do a search on the channel, as I have posted a couple of videos previously. Now, quick recap, the PC Manager doesn't actually bring any new features when it comes to cleaning and optimizing your PC. The features that are bundled into the PC Manager app are basically just pointing towards existing features that are already available in Windows 10 and Windows 11, because the app is available for Windows 10 and 11, as many of you may know by now. So it's just basically bundling a whole lot of features that are already available, and it's just collating all of those into one convenient app, which lets you obviously then perform basic computer maintenance and, to some extent or the other, speed up your PC with a single click, as mentioned. Now, just to let you know that with the recent update, which happened overnight in my region, I see now, after upgrading to version 3.4.1.0, which is now the latest public beta release of the PC Manager app, we now get a light and a dark theme, and they've added a new appearance section. And I think this is a small yet significant update, because the app was looking very pale, and even on a system like me, when I run dark mode, you couldn't change it. It looked a little bit out of place. So at least this is a small yet a nice move, as I would always say, in the right direction. So now you can apply a dark mode, which I think looks a lot better, especially if you are running dark mode. And as an example, you can also apply your system setting, which in my case is dark mode as well. So it'll take on the appearance of system. You can change that to dark, and then you can put it back to the default light. And just wanted to let you guys know about that. And I think that looks a lot better and just makes a lot of the features pop out a little bit more in dark mode. And I've only noticed this dark mode change though on my Windows 10 device and not my Windows 11 device. So it does seem to be on a controlled rollout. And if you want to be able to know where you can download the PC Manager app, in case this is the first time you are seeing this, then I will leave the PC Manager download page in the description for you to go check that out for yourself, and you can download it and try it out for yourself. But nonetheless, dark mode now available, which, as mentioned, I think is a nice move. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.